Hello everybody, Camelia here, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to open the KnitPro Sweet Affair knitting needles, and I think this is one of their, is the holiday gift set 2023 or something like that. I love knitting and I have a lot of knitting needles. A lot of them are from KnitPro. This is not a product placement video kind of thing, but it's just I bought the set because I was thinking it's really pretty. So let's take a look. This is a metal set. I like knitting with metal needles. I do have also some bamboo and some birch ones, but I think metal ones, they help me to be really fast with when I'm knitting. First of all, the set is coming in a bag, and it has also the outside box is really pretty. As you can see, it's a little bit shiny. I think this will make indeed a very nice gift box for if you have someone in your life that loves knitting. I think this will be really a perfect gift. So let's open up, take out the bag. Let's put this away. So this is the bag that is coming with the needles. It's very fluffy and a little bit velvety. It has a nice label here. It has two zippers, as you can see. It's almost like a little shoulder bag. It has here some things that you can, there is also a shoulder, what's the name? To put it over your shoulder. So let's take a look. So if we were to watch here, we can see that you get some double pointed needles, some interchangeable needles, and some skins of wool. This is also from their own collection. So let's take a look to see where are the needles. Okay, so here I have another pouch, as you can see, and I bet these are the needles here. Everything is made in this very fluffy, velvety kind of fabric. It feels like really nice quality. And here we have the needles. As you can see, they are very pretty, all kind of colors. They start with size, let's see, what size is this? This is a size US 1.5, it will be 2.5 millimeters. And then you have a size, it's kind of really hard to read, especially in these lighter colors. Let's see, this is a size 2, US 2, that will be 2.75 millimeters. I think there are, let's see, what kind of needles are these? Is this aluminium? I'm not sure, they don't say that. But they do feel very light. So we have the, let's see, we have the 2.5, 275, 3, 3.5 and 4. So that will be US 1.5, 2, 2.5, US 4 and US 6. You can see it here. They feel really nice actually in hand. Kind of cold, but you know, I suppose they get warm. And then for the interchangeable ones, there we have here, this is a 3 millimeter. We have a 3.5, a 375, a 4 and a 4.5. And let's take a look. It's a little bit their standard connector type. I think this will be really easy to use with all my other KnitPro needles or cables, let's say. So let's see what we have here. Some knitting needles. You see, that's why I like this kind of sets, because you get all kind of goodies together with the needles. So let's see, we have here some, what is this? I'm going to open up this. Let's see how you open this. Maybe here. Let's see what is inside. Oof, I cannot open it. It is made to be. Let's see. Just going to. Oh, okay. Here. This is really nice. These are extenders, you know, for the cables. If you have, there are only 2 cables in this, but if you really need a little bit of a longer cable, you can connect this one. You can connect it on one side, you'll connect one cable, and on the other side you'll connect the other cable, and then of course you'll get in one time a really long cable. Very useful. I have some really expensive knitting needles that don't come with extra things, that I need to buy them separately, and these are the little keys that you put in the hole also when you put a needle on. Try that to connect with. So I have here one of the needles, and you can screw this on. And then if you really need to make it really tight, usually I don't, but you can put this little key into the hole here. There is a hole, and then just a little bit turning on the cable. It's something that I recently learned, that if you have you know, the wooden cables with, of course they will have here a metal end, you always need to turn onto the cable and not turn on your needle, you know, because otherwise you have the risk to break it. So this is actually, as you can see, I didn't even use the key, and it's actually very easy to turn or to fasten. So we have this. Let's see, we have the keys, we have 2 cables, we have some stoppers that you put at the end of your cable if you have stitches onto the cable. There are 4 of these, 2 pink and 2, I don't know, light blue ones. A little bit everything is going with the colors of the bag. And then we have a really very small pair of scissors. These are really cute. And then we have some stitch markers, some hard ones and a lockable one, also very useful. Let's see what we have here more. Here you get also user paper. You can see here that they teach you how to use this. And let's see, we have also a needle, you know, that you can use to wave in the ends. And this one is this is really pretty. This one has also a crochet hook here at the end. I think you can see it. And at the other end is just a straight needle point. Very nice. To be honest, everything, it feels quite luxurious and very nice quality, and it's something that I like. So these are all the things you get in the needle pouch. So let's take a look at the yarn that we get here. So this is really nicely made, the bag. I really like it. Let's see. Well, you have that shoulder strap. Yes, it's a strap. As you can see, it's quite big. Very pretty also. This is not elastic. It's very nice. And the yarns. Yarn goodies. Oh, I love yarn. All kind of yarn. And this is everything what is in the bag. This is a great project bag, you know, for a little project you can put your stuff in it. So here there are 3 mini skeins in let's see, this is a blue jasmine and a pink mauve. Very, very pretty colors. Oh, they are really, really nice. Very soft. These are symphony yarns, and I think it's also one of the brands from KnitPro. They are hand dyed, and I try to see if I can. Oh, you can see here what is the content of it. It's the Symphony Terra hand dyed yarns. It's 75% wool, superwash merino, polyamide 25%, and on each of these mini skins is 25 grams, so that will be around 95 meters, and it's a fingering weight. And the bigger skin is this one here, which is also very, very pretty. And this one is also Symphony Terra. It's the same type of yarn, only in this case, I try to see the color, but it's a Summer Romance. It's the name of the color. Of course, there are a lot of colors here. It's very, very pretty. And here is 380 meters, is 100 grams. And they offer also, or they give also a little bit of information about the yarn itself, and also some ideas what you can make with the amount of wool that they provide here. I really like the hat, although it's something that I will not wear very fast, I think. But I think a pair of socks like this will be really, really nice, or maybe even a pair of mitts will be even nicer. I think it's a really, really very soft wool, very, very nice. So this is it. This was the unboxing of the, what was the name? Of the Sweet Affair from KnitPro. I think it's a really nice set. I really love the needles. I'll have to give them a try to see how they work. And the sizes are pretty nice, you know. I wish they gave us also a 5, but you know, it is what it is. So I think there is a nice variety in sizes here. Also the extra little bits, they feel really nice, and the quality of the bag is also very, very nice. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a like and leave your comment. I do have a lot of other knitting needles that maybe I will share here on the channel, because I know as a knitter I'm always in the search for the perfect needle, which has the perfect joints, which allows me to knit fast and beautiful, and with you know, with much pleasure as it can be from the knitting process. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care everybody, till next time, bye!